Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a new foam air filter in your lawnmower. I'll begin by removing the old filter from the lawnmower. Before I can install the new air filter, I'll need to apply some oil to it. The foam by itself won't trap much dirt or debris. Adding oil makes the dust stick to it, which makes it much more effective. They make oils specifically for air filters. Although if you don't have this, you can just use regular 4-cycle motor oil, or I like to use 2-cycle engine oil. I find it's a little thicker. To oil the filter, I place it in a plastic bag, and then I apply some oil to it. I don't want too much oil, I don't want to saturate it, I just want enough to coat it. I'll work the oil into the filter, trying to spread it as evenly as possible. Then I'll remove the filter from the bag, place it on a towel, and blot out the excess oil. And that's ready to be reinstalled. I'll install the air filter back onto the base and reinstall the cover.